Gate Bridge, they have a plan aimed at trying to fix the sound of humming around the bridge. Hear that? You can actually hear that sound for miles when the winds are high and they hit those safety slats on the pedestrian handrails. The Golden Gate Bridge Highway and Transportation District is expected to approve a plan this week to fix that sound. The plan calls for attaching U-shaped clips to all 12,000 slats on the railings. Now, it'll cost about $450,000. It could be completed by the end of next year if it's approved.